Hey everyone, welcome to week three. I want to start with a couple of quick announcements. If you haven't seen it yet, I posted two announcements on UB Learns. The first is that I'm going to say let's cancel Thursday's synchronous session. The point of that session was to sort of troubleshoot any technology issues, make sure everyone was able to navigate UB Learns. I actually think a better way of dealing with that would just be for you to give me a call or shoot me an email. I posted a couple of questions in that announcement, but basically I'm just curious about how things are going. If you're having any problems with any technology specifically, and then just give some thought to what you think a research topic might be that interests you. Um, you can get in touch with me at any point during week three or at any point during week four. So this week or next week. But again, no synchronous session on Thursday. Like I said, I think our time is just better used if we communicate one-on-one. Again, you're welcome to call me 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 days a week. Leave a message. If I don't answer, I'll call you back. You're also welcome to email me. And I should be able to get back to you within 36 hours or so. Second announcement. I posted an APA video, uploaded some slides, uploaded some sample APA documents. That's in the learning resources section of UB Learns. So take a look at that at your leisure. Probably in the next 3 weeks or so, there'll be a companion video to that talks a little bit more about writing in the social and behavioral sciences. So the purpose of that first video that I uploaded was to sort of introduce APA and all of the things that are sort of part of APA style. The second will build on that, like I said, talk about writing. That'll probably be out sometime in October. Maybe week 5, week 6, somewhere around there. At any rate, here, what are we doing in week 3? Well, we're talking about problems. What do we research in social work? That's often social problems or special populations. Might also be populations with a particular problem. So part of your task this week is to give some thought to which topic you might be interested in. If you're struggling to come up with a topic, you're welcome to get in touch with me. We'll talk about what interests you. But watch the lecture for this week. I've got some information on how to pick a topic. But I will say, as far as I'm concerned, any topic that interests you would be one that you could use for class. So there's about a 30-minute lecture. It's actually a little less than that. It's about 28 minutes, divided over the course of 3 parts. Why is it 3 parts? My Screencast-O-Matic account only lets me upload 15-minute segments. I'm working on that, trying to see if I can change it. But for now, I have to sort of break them up into chunks. That also means you could watch one segment one day, the next segment the next day. So you can use that to your advantage if you like. So there's a lecture, there's a short reading in the Faulkner and Faulkner book. There's a few other things for you to do on UB Learns as well. Another short video about independent and dependent variables if you want. There is no discussion this week, but what there is a short assignment on hypotheses and research questions. It's worth 2 points, just like the discussion. There's also another quiz this week. Now I should say something about the quizzes real quick, and I apologize for not making this clear before. The quizzes are not part of your grade. So they are intended exclusively to help you review the material. That's it. So if you do really well in the quiz, it's not going to help your grade. If you do really poorly on the quiz, there's no reason to worry. It's not going to impact your grade. The grades in this class really are the discussions, the papers, and the tests. Why do I include the quizzes in each week's material? Two reasons. One is the first is that I think it's useful for us to test our knowledge, test our understanding of the concepts that we talk about. Second reason is that I will use those questions on the exams in class. So taking the quizzes and working through them does have some benefit to you, so that when you get to the exams, you'll actually have seen some of those questions before, or maybe even some version of those questions before. Again, I apologize for not making that clear last week, but quizzes are intended purely for review, and they have no bearing on your grade. You should be able to take them more than once. If for any reason you're having trouble with those, again, get in touch with me. We'll troubleshoot, and figure out what's going on. I think that's all for this week. Welcome to week 3. As always, you're welcome to get in touch with me. You can call, you can send me an email, whatever. But again, no synchronous meeting on Thursday. Get in touch with me instead, in week 3 or week 4, and then check out the APA materials that I uploaded in the learning resources folder. All right. Thanks. Have a great week.